Hey guys, welcome back. Today we've got the old Trailblazer in the garage, my son's car, and we're troubleshooting a leak. I noticed that had some spots on the driveway, and here's where my son usually parks this vehicle. This is from the front of the vehicle, is usually right in this area, so it's definitely leaking around the front. Checked all the fluids, everything's about normal. Antifreeze was slightly low, but probably a couple years since we had to add any, so got into it, and this is what I found. Now last year about this time, I changed the front diff oil. I'm in here with the front tire normally is. I have the tire off so I can see. But you can see I got some fluid by the drain. That's the fill, the big one up there, the fill plug. There's the drain plug. And a little bit of fluid around. Now, I'm wondering, do I have a seal leak? Like that seal right there where the CV axle, half shaft, whatever you want to call those, goes in? Or is it leaking from one of these plugs? Because I read online that you should put RTV on those, and I know I did not do that last it leaked. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to spray this off with some brake cleaner and just kind of keep an eye on it for a little bit. I think also I'll take that fill plug off, and I'm going to check my level and see if it's gone down any. Go from there. All right, guys, I've got some brake parts cleaner. I've got a pan set up down here to catch everything. So I'm just gonna spray that area off, let it dry off, and see what I can find out. Okay, guys, I've got it all cleaned off. I'm gonna give you a view coming from the front, basically coming this way, because I'm in the side right now. I wanna show you something. All right, guys, that's the drain plug right there. I noticed it has like a plastic crush washer. I don't know if that's standard. Anybody know? Maybe that's my problem. Maybe that crush washer is no good. So I'm going to go through my crush washer list, my crush washer stash here. Maybe I have something a little bit better. I'm going to do a little research on that before I go further and take that out. But for now that it's clean, I'm going to let it sit and just see if any leaks appear. See if it's more of a drip rather than it's under pressure when it's driving. So I'm gonna maybe go get a few things at the store and come back and check it. Okay, guys, it's been about 2 hours. Let me see if I can get a better view in there for you. I think we've figured out where it's leaking. If you look straight back here, see that coming down? That's coming right from the bottom of the seal where the half shaft goes in there. So we definitely have a leaking differential seal. So I'm probably going to top off the diff fluid, and I don't know if I want to tackle this job myself. We'll see. But I think I'm going to end the video here. This was more just about troubleshooting where the leak has come from. So what I did, summarize, clean everything off with some brake fluid, wipe it all down, and there we go. We have our leak. So quick video on how I troubleshoot these things. Fix to come. Thanks.